Employment law platforms versus solicitors. Which one is better for compliance? Most businesses get this wrong by assuming that having an system alone is enough to stay compliant with employment law. The surprising truth is that employment law platforms and solicitors serve very different purposes, and understanding their strengths can save your company from costly mistakes. Employment law platforms are digital tools designed to simplify your compliance. They provide templates for contracts, policies, and employee handbooks, and often include automated alerts for changes in employment legislation. For example, a platform might notify your teams about updates to maternity leave regulations or minimum wage changes, helping businesses avoid unintentional breaches. These platforms are ideal for day-to-day compliance, especially for small to medium-sized businesses that need structured guidance without hiring a full legal team. Employment solicitors, on the other hand, offer expert legal advice and representation. They are essential when facing complex situations such as unfair dismissal claims, discrimination allegations, or multi-jurisdiction employment issues. A solicitor can interpret nuanced employment law, negotiate settlements, and even represent your company in tribunals or court. Their experience ensures that your business doesn't just follow templates, but complies with legal obligations tailored to your specific situation. So, which is better? Platforms are excellent for ongoing or management and standard compliance tasks, providing efficiency and structure. Solicitors are critical for strategic legal support, complex cases, and risk mitigation. Many companies find that combining both works best, using a platform for daily compliance while consulting a solicitor for specialized advice or disputes. The key takeaway is that relying solely on software may leave gaps in your compliance, while depending only on solicitors can be costly and inefficient. By blending technology with professional legal expertise, businesses can maintain stronger practices, reduce risk, and stay ahead of employment law changes. The surprising truth is that compliance works best when automation and expert guidance work hand in hand.